Delivering for our consumers and our customers is the most important thing, and that should be the focus. It shouldn't be on worrying if the technology is going to work for you or configuring the technology. There's a huge demand for digital technology to drive business. And our organization understood that digital was going to drive the consumer products goods industry. Over the years, Unilever, like many companies, had thousands of systems. We needed to interconnect these systems. We had in the tens of thousands of integrations globally that we needed to maintain. Almost too much to keep track of. And you think about that, and you think about the type of organization that we need to have to deliver at that scale, that's extraordinary. We had a major problem to solve. 2.5 billion people use Unilever products every single day. We have 350 industrial sites globally in almost 200 countries globally. We manage 22 petabytes of data on all of our systems. We talked to our friends at MuleSoft, and they came in with this new concept. It's smart integration. Essentially, what they're helping us to do is write one interface that we can use over and over again. We've created this library so that we can very quickly and very smartly connect these business applications globally. Instead of working on projects that take years, we're doing things in weeks and months. So we can be presented with a business problem on a Monday and solve it by a Friday. There's a speed, there's an agility component, and there's a savings component to everything that we're doing on this platform. It's putting IT in the front office, and we're helping to solve proactively business problems. When you can deploy this quickly, it's really fun. Our rate of innovation has increased with the Salesforce platform because we're able to try things new very quickly, and if they don't work, then we go back to the drawing board. It's absolutely phenomenal.